Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the SIM card here at the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. If you have put it back, it should be here at the box or directly here at the cover of the box. Now, so just remove this little white box here at the cover of the box, and at the back you should have, if you have put it back, here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Boop. Or otherwise, if you don't have it anymore, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you should find now the SIM tray below, and there's a small hole in there at the SIM tray, and now you will need the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. But please take care that you're using the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone, so please take care that you're using the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool or the paperclip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray contains two SIM cards. If you want to remove the first one, just turn your SIM tray and the first SIM card is always jumping out like that. Now, for the second SIM, you can bend the SIM tray a bit, but very carefully. If you want to make sure that nothing will be damaged, just take the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip and enter one of these holes here at the SIM tray, and then you can easily pull it out, the second one. Yeah, and if you want to enter a new SIM card, it's also pretty easy. Just have a look here at the SIM tray, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2, it's always written here, and put the SIM card then here at SIM 1. If you have a second one, you can put it later here as well, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray, and the contacts, they are on top. Okay, and anyhow then with one or two SIM cards you can put the SIM tray back to the SIM slot. The first SIM card that's always on top to the display side now. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me and so on. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.